In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Gmail on your laptop or PC. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure a seamless login experience. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once your browser is open, type www.gmail.com into the address bar at the top of the screen. Hit Enter on your keyboard and you'll be redirected to the Gmail login page. At this stage, you'll see a text box asking for your email address or phone number. This is where you'll input the email address associated with your Gmail account. Remember to double-check for typos to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your email address, click on the Next button below the text box. After clicking Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. It's important to ensure that your caps lock key is not on, as passwords are case sensitive. Take your time entering your password to avoid mistakes. If you happen to forget your password, Gmail offers a Forgot Password link that you can click. This will guide you through the process of recovering your account. Once your password is entered correctly, click on the Next button once more. This should take you to your Gmail inbox, where you can start managing your emails. In case you've set up two-factor authentication, you might encounter an additional step here. This is a security measure to protect your account. You'll usually receive a code on your phone or other authentication device. Enter this code into the appropriate field and then click Verify. Now, if you're on a personal device and want to avoid entering your login details every time, Gmail provides an option to stay signed in. You'll find a checkbox labeled Stay Signed In on the login page. By checking this box, your login information will be saved until you log out. However, it's crucial to remember not to use this feature on public or shared computers for security reasons. To wrap things up, logging into Gmail on your laptop or PC is a fairly straightforward process. You enter your email, your password, and any additional security information if needed. By following these steps, you can ensure a quick and secure login experience every time. Thanks for tuning into our guide today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more insightful guides, and don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments section below. Enjoy your time managing your emails, and have a great day.